Because of the Ukrainian war, we have changed our logo to the Ukrainian flag. Please donate to the Ukrainian Red Cross to help injured people in the war. Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be rating all of my websites. Like, I've got Devi Workspace, Devi, DevSites, Questa, Edu Reports, Devi Designs, Devi Blog, the U Museum, Portraits by Toby, and of course we've got TechSpace. So first we're going to be doing Devi Workspace. So this is the website. Also, it's got its own app, which is cool. If I move me over here, there's accounts, because there's a store, obviously. There's search, and there's cart. Currently in the shop, there's like portraits and stuff, but I'm going to change that to the designs. But then there's also apps over here. I'm going to add the 2 apps soon. Home is like this. It's also got reviews. Like this. I'm probably going to rate this. So C is average. C is better. B is like B is much better. B plus is super. A is amazing. And A plus is just best. The highest score. But anything under that is bad. So hopefully we don't have to get any of these. Luckily there's no F minus. I'm probably going to rate this in I'll probably rate this probably a B. Yeah. Next we've got Devi Coding. It's one of my only websites with a domain. devicoding.com.au. So on the front screen, it says this, and it says this with all the designs. Down here, there's a blog and a bunch of pages. Then there's apps, bunch of apps you can go to. Hosting. Of course, there's sites. Designs, probably my favorite page. It's even got feedback. People. Yeah. Businesses. I changed the logo recently. I changed it to Web Show 2022. Blog. Contact us. but you probably get it now. I worked really, really hard on this website. It's not like Wix or EditorX where I just drag and drop. This is Google Sites, and it's not got much tools, and I worked very hard on this as well. It's been through a lot. So, if we go back to tier lists, probably gonna rate this. I'll probably rate this like a A. Yeah. An A. Amazing, but it's not like the best. Okay, next is Dev Sites. One of my second favorite website behind TechSpace, which is at the end. So it looks like this. I'm signed in. Welcome administrator. I go back to user mode. And then it shows the websites, the views. You can go to my account. Over here. My profile. Like this. I'm a gold user since I have 1 million points. Then the sites, the main page. All of these websites. You can also create a website. By going to my sites, go down to the bottom, put address in, and then click create new site. And your sites will show up here. So, I'm probably going to rate this an A+, obviously. Obviously at the top. Then there's Questa. So this is a confusing website. Not by like confusing content, I don't mean that. Let's just close other tabs real quick. But if we go to Questa, it's not really a popular website. It doesn't show out that much. It doesn't stand out. It's got lots of ads. But obviously it's for questions. My profile. Not limited. Okay. But if we go to my profile, it looks like this. This is actually quite a nice website. Like this. And there's messages. You can even compose a message. My statics. That's cool. But of course you can ask a question like that. So, I'll probably rate this. I'll probably do a B+. Yeah, that's a good spot. Next is EduReports. So this is the new website. The old website I'm not updating anymore, but the new one is here. If I haven't showed it to you before, I haven't showed it to you on my YouTube channel. This is EduReports, the new website. Get my But this is EduReports. It's like DevSites, but it's got all the other pages. Reports, messages, videos, forum, members. Got all of those. Videos, recent reports. I don't have time to show you the entire website. I might show you in another video, but probably rate this not an A+, but probably an A or probably a B+. It goes with there. Next we have Devi Designs. This is also a really new website. So it looks like this. It's on my website, but it looks like this on another website. It's pretty cool. You can buy a website. I'll go down here. Over here, where's it gone? Oh, it's there. There's meant to be a card in the search bar over there. This is what Hacker Design looks like. It's got all the images. It's got how much it is. You can add it to bag and then you can buy it. Okay, there's the card. And do check out that. I'll probably do this a C+, or maybe just a B. Yeah, a B, solid B, because it's just a store. It's not like something like DevSites. So next is Devi Blog. This is probably my worst. I don't like this website at all. I want to delete it, but I don't want to as well. To blog a website. So it looks like this. It's got all these, the posts. It's got archive and translate followers. And if you go to a post, it'll look like this. You can also do comments. And then there's more posts down there. So I'm probably going to rate this like a C+ or a C. Solid's a C. Yeah, solid C. It's not my favorite website. Next is video meeting. So, I've showed you this in my recent video. it looks like this. It's even better than the old video museum. So this is video museum. The only difference is the background and stuff. But then if you want to create a post, look what happens. You can only post a video or a poll. Not like the old one where you could post anything except embed. But I found out how to change that when I was editing TechSpace. So I did change that. It's also got accounts, which is pretty cool. So, probably going to rate this an A. Yes, solid A. It's not A+ because it doesn't have a page builder, obviously. Okay. So next is Portraits by Toby. This hasn't got a domain, sadly. By the way, some websites aren't there, like the community. I was going to do it with some other websites like Ace Tech, but instead I used my brother's. Thank you. By the way, before I go any further, this is made by my brother Felix. Thank you, Felix, for creating this. I really appreciate it for my video. Probably going to follow his account after. But now, Portraits by Toby says all of this about buying it and stuff. So then you go to next. You can select one of these. Maybe I want to buy Ace 3, it's $100. Buy. We're actually working on a huge update on Portraits by Toby, so we're changing it a whole lot. Maybe portrait. Now I can contact them to buy the portrait. So it's a pretty small website. Right. Let's see how small it is. $303 kilobytes. That's all. Okay. But I'm probably going to rate this probably B with Debbie Designs. Oh. Yes, solid B. Next, we all know the new website TechSpace. My favorite website, just because of a page builder. I love going to this website. I showed you this a few videos ago. But if you haven't seen, this is what it looks like. So there's TechSpace. It's got all the posts, obviously, because space or community can create a post. But down here, we also added insert HTML code. You can insert a code. You've also got accounts. You've got forum, then members. You'll probably see members and members page. Let's go to the members page. Let me discard. So, got all the members. Toby, me, or pretty much me and Felix. He's got a crazy logo. But next is my favorite page, obviously groups. This is why I like the website. So, you can create a group. But if I go to, let's say, the text-based group, you see you want to add a page. By the way, it's really cool. Thing, button and stuff. They're really cool. But you want to add a page, so you go to here, ... Just wait for it to load. And go to group settings. Content. There's also admin tools, which is cool. Click custom tab, you can rename it. Then you go save. You can reload the page, so it's there. Go to that tab. This part is why I like it, because there's a whole page builder. So there would be nothing on the custom tab. Just wait for this to load a bit. So there will be nothing, but you can go to edit. You can insert buttons that won't be there when you edit it, it'll just be nothing. But there's buttons, all these uploads. There's also embed code, but you can't add two things aside. You can only add one, just going down. Unless you want to add a gallery or text. But my favorite part is the button. I like that. This page builder is better than the dev site's page builder. But obviously, over here, obviously you know what I'm going to pick. All the way at the top. Here it goes. Right there. So that's pretty much it. Those are all the websites and where they should go. Luckily I didn't use any of these, which was bad. Which was good, I meant. Luckily I didn't use any of these. I only used C because of Debbie blog. It's average. So yeah. Bye everyone. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like if you think I did good. If you think this is right. Also subscribe please because it'll make you lucky in the future, maybe. But like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos. And bye!
Meanwhile,